Black+Decker weed trimmer is a really clever design, but the line feed depends on one little part. Hi everybody, I'm Bassocantor. Stay tuned, I'll explain.
Here it is. Check out this little spring. It's really just like a little clip. It's really just a couple of turns of heavy wire. Right here you can see how the product has to work. Do you see how the little lever goes back and forth? You have to have the spring in there so that the lever goes back properly.
Well, now that the line feed is working great, I've got one little plant I want to trim again. I really can't stand this plant. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. In Dublin, California, I'm Bassocantor. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Not again. That's my favorite plant.